In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add Trustpilot to your Wix website. Okay, so to do this, we're going to be making use of a third-party website called elfsite.com. I'll leave it linked up in the description of the video. From here, you just want to go to the top where it says widgets, and then you can see the reviews section. Scroll down and then you should see the option right near the bottom. It says reviews from Trustpilot. If I click on that, it's going to take you to this page. Go to the top right of this page, click on create widget, and then you can see you have all these different options as to how you want it to look. You can select this one right here, or you can select this one right here. I like the first one, so I'll just go ahead and use that. Then just scroll to the bottom here where it says continue with this template. Click on that, and here you want to put in your Trustpilot URL. So enter it in right into this box. Then what you want to do is you can change how it looks, like the layout, the widget style, the appearance of it, but I like it how it looks right now. So then just go to add to website at the bottom. Once you've done that, you will need to create a free account, and it's 100% free. I'm just going to sign up with Google. Okay, so once you've signed into your free account, just come to the top right where it says save, click on save, and then now you need to select a plan. What you want to do is just go for the light plan, which is free. So I'm going to select that one, and now you're presented with a code. You just want to click to copy this code to your clipboard, then go back to your Wix website editor, then go to the plus icon to add something, and then what we're looking for is the embed option, and then you want to embed a widget right here. Once this box pops up, you can enter the code by clicking enter code, and then you just want to right click and then paste in the elf site code. Click on update, and I can close this out right now, and as you can see, this is the Trustpilot widget with all my Trustpilot reviews and everything like that. Obviously this is just a demo, but if you put your correct Trustpilot URL in the setup process, you'll be able to import all your reviews here. And that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.